help, 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 please help, help, please, please, help me, I'm down.
Help me!
Why do I look like that? Oh my fucking god, why do Okay, I got it together. Okay, keep in mind that I've drank 3/4 of wine in the space of 30 seconds. Just keep that in mind. Meow!
I can't believe you hung.
Why you get called again, girl?
Because he was sleeping with you.
You're harassing the boy.
What's that?
That's you dead skin for you lit? I mean, oh, he like picking it, touching it. I don't know what's going on.
I'm so glad you get on camera.
Put that pussy in my face. Put that pussy in my face. Put that pussy in my face.
Sir, stop, please stop, sir, bitch, I said stop.
Wait, can I see that? Why are you waiting? Send me.
Oh, Todd said, "Oh, shitting on me."
I didn't see it. Do it again.
Give me some kisses.
Oh, I can call you back at 12. I talk that
I
bad.
just wanna love you.
Talk that bad, you can say,
I wanna kiss you. I wanna kiss you. I wanna kiss you.
Alright. Well, you put here later.
Please. Oh, yeah. Your cat is really cute. Really fucking cute. Cute, give me a kiss too.
Sir,
No, he don't want to give me a kiss.
sir,
Simba does not.
Wait.
Wait, I gotta get a makeup brush.
Okay, hi YouTube. Your turn.
Hi, YouTube.
Every time I get on camera, I just start laughing. I can't stop. Anyways, hi YouTube. So
we eat edibles every day or so.
so we drink this whole bottle of wine. We have like a little bit left back, like this much. So like we're gonna. So we're gonna just drink this, and she's gonna do my makeup while drunk, of course. I'm more tipsy than her because I drink this.
Drink the wine like this, not. I told you I have to.
Fuck, Shanti. Oh shit!
Not dirty up my.
I try not to
spade. I told him you have to.
sip. Fake bitches sip wine, real bitches gulp it.
Jesus Christ.
Bitch, I'll finish yours too.
No!
I was joking. Okay, so today I got a Juvia's palette. Not with my AdSense money. Okay. You trying to fuck the cat now? You make it.
Very. My cat is eating roaches, y'all. Like that's so he's hunting mice and roaches.
He eats mice and roaches.
Roaches!
Glad I fixed myself up before she got this show.
So we are going to do dance makeup today. So first step is
See the cat here? Oh my god.
prime. Wait, is prime first? Moisturize. And
Right,
then
I don't need
prime.
moisturizer. It oily as shit.
Let me do my job.
Yeah. I want some more wine. I don't know why, but I want some more
moisturized, but
wine. I
not-
feel like so like lonely just sipping this by myself. Yes, yeah. I wasn't expecting it to do that.
Oh, you that's supposed tea. No, that's not shit.
That tastes like piss. Don't ask me how I know how pee tastes like.
What?
Don't ask.
You taste so pee?
Don't ask.
How is this?
So this is milk of my.
Milk of my you. Milk my you. That wasn't supposed to happen. That wasn't a joke. I look like I just got nutted on. I got a facial. I got a. Are we doing brows first? Yes.
Do that. Wait, we do it again. No, do it slowly. Wait, like you fucking it. Put it close to the mic. That sounds so good. That sounds like tingle, tingle. Bitch. It does. So what are you doing right now?
Brows.
I expect you to go in depth and you can just tell me brows.
Yeah, you want straight brows or brows?
I want arch brows. I want a slip.
Okay. This alcohol, you better not drink when you go.
Why do I look so ugly? Oh my god.
This is it. You serve your looks.
I look angry.
I love an angry bro.
I look like James Charles 2014.
I gotta put my legs so I can be comfortable.
I feel so dizzy right now.
But
Wait, let me see. Man. I want to see this stuff.
yes.
I know you fucking lying, bitch. I know you fucking lying.
Come here.
I know you lying, Shantae. I know you lying.
Not let me go. You know it's. Come. Go. Brush it up. Stop that so I can try the bros.
I'm trying.
Focus. Right. Good. Next step. You get it now? Wait, it coming.
Oh my god. Black families trying to get every penny out of the toothpaste. You ain't struggling if you never did this. I want my money. I want all of my money. Shantae, this does not look okay. I look like I got a mange or something. I look
Don't worry
like...
about it being fixed.
This genuinely looks like a bald spot. I look so ugly! Focus.
Somebody gave me this makeup free. Where the fuck are you gonna put that? Where you gonna put that?
Wow, the complexion shade is so close. I love an even match. Focus. There we go.
This was in the set, right?
We gonna see if concealer could fix this shit.
You can like boot back when I do the eyebrows.
What?
Like boot back, like
What?
you could be like, let's see this concealer can fix this.
What is a boot back, Shantae? A boot back.
Alright, boot back now.
Wait. I'm good.
Bugger it.
It's not funny. It's not.
It's not funny.
It's not. Okay, it's not. It's not. Okay, promise. It's not. It's not funny anymore.
Becca, it's not funny anymore. Bugger it. So fucking stupid.
Okay, I'm done. Done.
Period.
According to the legends, when he turned off the camera, he vanished. Lol, just kidding. We got into an argument about dishes and stopped talking for 2 weeks. But seriously, don't do drugs, kids.